Hello guys, welcome to SeharH Gsm services. Today I'm going to show you our new innovative easy eMMc ISP kit, which is using for uh, Flash64 box, UFA box, and EasyJTAG box. So let me show you first of all which content you will get it on the package. So first of all, you will get a 6-way wire on it. Then you will have a Flash64 box converter adapter, and also you will have a UFI converter ISP adapter also. You will get it two male header pin adapter for EasyJTAG Plus box, and you will have three female adapter for ISP connection. So first of all, let me explain you the benefit of using this kit. As we are using now so many JTAG box in the market. So all of the JTAG box, they do have different kind of pin outs. So if you want to change the pin outs for other box, you have to change the wires, and you again and again change the wires, take out wires and put it on other box, then take it out wire and put it on other box. So what is the benefit is, when you using our kit, the all of ISP pin out will be same on all of the boxes. So you just need to connect a single connector from the phone to any box, and you can shift your ISP of your phone to any JTAG. First of all, let me show you. As you can see, simply we have a flash 64 adapter with the pin number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So we're gonna connect by this wire to flash 64. So pin number 1 connect to pin number 1, pin number 2 connect to pin number 2, 3 3 4 to 4, 5 to 5, and 6 to 6. So this is connected and complete. And on this F64 adapter, we have a double side adhesive tape. So it's your choice. You can take out, peel off the paper, and you can punch the adapter here like this, as I like it. So this is very hard tape. It's not gonna move when you use it, or else you can just use it like free. You don't need to have to punch it. And on UFI box, it's also very easy to, when you receive the kit, it will came like this. You see. So I already have connected this adapter to UFI ISP adapter. This is UFI box. So you connect this adapter and you solder it from down and put this adapter into UFI box. So UFI box is ready to use. On EasyJTAG box, you don't have to do any modification, nothing. You just take this male adapter and connect it to ISP adapter of EasyJTAG block. So your all of box is ready to connect it. All of box will have the same pin out. From the right side, it is CMD, CLK, Dato, 1.8, 2.8, and ground. On some of phones, we need the RST point. So we give you the RST point. So time by time, if you need it, you can use the RST point. Otherwise, just leave it. So let's start it. How we gonna use this kit, and how beneficial is. So but let me explain you the benefit of this kit. The main benefit of this kit is, as you know, some of flash 64 box, they're doing like on off issue, boot loop issue, and sometimes the box is burned and is not usable. Because of that, people, they are still using the USB cable into the box, and they are soldering the direct ISP wires with the soldering iron. So what is happening? The surge current is go back on the box, and the box hardware, internal hardware, is get damaged. The cause of that thing, your box will be go on and off, or maybe is burned sometime completely and is not usable. So by this, you don't need to connect the wires always. You just connect our adapter and this wire, and that's all. You don't need to connect the wires again and again to the box. And then it is more benefit of this kit is that you can easily connect your board like this. As you can see, this is the female adapter. So these female adapters, You can connect ISP wires and you can connect with the phone. So this ISP adapter, female adapter, you can connect to any box like this, and it's very easy, like 1 to 3, as you can see, like 1 to 3. You don't need to change the wires, you don't need to take out the ISP wires, and it's hassle free. Let me quickly show you how it's going to work and how fast is that. Show you how fast is this kit and how easily we can jump to another JTAG. So let's start it. We're gonna start by the EasyJTAG plus box. You connect the box, you connect the female ISP adapter to the box, you give the power to phone by USB cable, and we're gonna detect it. As you can see, it's very stable connected. Let us check the speed. I select for 1 GB. I try to read eMMc and we can save it. Says already have it. Press yes. And you can see it is very stable connected with the accurate and high speed. As you can see, it's more than 400 megabytes per second without any error and without any issue, and it's very easy to shift to other box. So let's just stop here because we're gonna use another one. So right now we're gonna take out this adapter. As you can see, I'm not taking out the wires from the phone. Still the wires are connected to the box, to the phone. Now we're gonna use F64 box. Let us connect the box. Is ready. We just connect this ISP adapter. Very easy, very easy. And we just try to connect it. As you can see, it's very stable connected without any issue. Start making the backup. Let's hold the shift key so it can skip the backup. So as you can see, it's very easy to connect it. Still searching the backup and those files. You can see it's very fast and very stable connected without any error. So let's move to another one. We take out the wire, the take out a female adapter from F64, and now we're gonna use UFI box. We connect the UFI box and we open UFI box, and we just gonna connect the female adapter to the, and you can see I'm still not take out the ISP bus from the phone. I'm just shifting female adapter. Just gonna see identify, and you can see it's very stable connected without any error. So this is very a simple eMMc ISP kit, as its name, as is by name, is assemble is easy, using is very easy, and it's very stable, and it's giving you a accurate stock speed of the boxes. It's not even reduce any speed of your box, it will give you the actual speed of data transfer of your box, rather is a flash 64 or EasyJTAG block box or a UFI box. So that's all from here. We'll see you on next video with a new innovative product. So see you guys again. Take care.